Today I'm going to show you how to make glowing effect with black and white effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, go to Select and Color Range. Under the Select, choose Sampled Colors. Increase the fuzziness to 40. Click Eyedropper tool. Sample a color from the red flowers. Click Add to Sample. Add more samples of same color. When you're finished, click OK. Make 2 copies of layer by pressing Ctrl+J twice. Right-click on the top layer and convert to Smart Object. Change the blend mode to Linear Dodge. Go to Filter, Blur, and open the Gaussian blur. Decrease the radius to 5 pixels. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Double-click on the Smart Filters. Increase the radius to 100 pixels. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Double-click on the Smart Filters. Increase the radius to 250 pixels. And then click OK. Select the 4 layers by holding down Shift key. Press Ctrl+G to place them into a folder group. Select the background layer. Click on the adjustment layer icon, and choose the color lookup. Under the 3D loot file, select Moonlight. Decrease the opacity to 40%. Go back to adjustment layer icon and gradient map. Click the gradient box. Open the Basics preset folder and choose the black and white. Then click OK. In Close Properties, go back to adjustment layer icon, and brightness and contrast. From the contrast, 100. And from the brightness, -60. Then close Properties window. And that's it. Hope you liked it.